Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the June Boxy Luxe unboxing. So I've actually had this for 2 days already, and this is the longest I've ever taken to upload. Usually I like to do it the day of getting the box, but you know what? Blame Animal Crossing. That's my excuse. So here we are. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. Okay. I see right away I've got little, what do you call these? A little satchel. Gua sha tool. Gua sha tool. So this is for massaging the face. It's got little instructions on here. Oh, I like this thing right here. It's for like right here. And I did learn that when you're putting on your skincare or you're doing like your facial exercises for like lymphatic drainage, you squeeze and pull out this way here, and here at the eyebrows you kind of grab your eyebrows and then pull out this way here. So this little thing here could be like really useful for right there, and probably right there too. So I'll be trying this tonight for sure. Nice. Got all the directions there. Let's see what else is in here. This reminds me of a little bells bag. See, I've always got Animal Crossing on the mind, and the bells, which is like the currency in the game, has a little bag that has a little star on it. I can do a DIY and turn that into it. What's next in here? More brushes. Okay, let's see. This is by $1 Billion Brushes charcoal brush set. Bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. So vegan. I've heard of charcoal everything, but not charcoal face makeup brushes. I've seen charcoal toothbrushes. This is interesting, but it can't be completely bacteria free. Oh, there's like a whole set in here. That's really nice. These are actually really nice looking. Let's see. I want to feel this one. Is it really charcoal? Can't know for sure. Take their word for it. Or it's just infused. Yeah, infused with charcoal. So if I wash this, will it like leak black? I don't know what to think. I really like this brush right here, the little blending brush. Seems like that would work really nicely in the crease. Okay. I'll definitely see if these end up washing well. And we'll go on to the next. Kylie skin. Does that mean there's something Kylie in here? I wouldn't know. I haven't looked at anything. But I will keep on going. Something. No problem. Prime Essence. Calendula officinalis flower extract. The first part is in Japanese. Prime Essence infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. So at the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until fully absorbed. So it's a primer. A Prime Essence. So it's like a primer skincare item. That's kind of cool. Ooh. Let's go ahead and try some of this. This is an interesting applicator. Oh, I'll just do it on top of the hand. So it's a very kind of like a liquidy serum texture. Very, very floral smell. It actually reminds me of one of the exfoliating face wipes that I have. I almost want to say it's like First Aid, the First Aid one. If anyone can remember what that smells like. Oh, but the finish feel is really, really soft and smooth. I kind of like that. This before makeup. And it has like skincare properties. Could be onto something. Are there other primers that are skincare? I can't recall any at the moment, but hey, I'm gonna try this. And it's super, super cute. I like the packaging. Okay. And this, okay, this hand definitely looks better than this one. Or am I just crazy and seeing things? Let's see here. Got something heavy. Pure Heals by Nature Village. Propolis 80 sleeping mask. I'm getting a lot of sleeping masks lately. There's the Glow recipe one. Okay, here's another one. This is 80% honeybee propolis extract. Full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. Interesting. This is like honeybee honey. I like that it comes with a spatula. This is nice. Oh my gosh, look, there's some leakage over here. What's going on? Oh my goodness. Whoa, this is like some serious stuff in here. This looks like a jelly. Show you guys here. I don't want to spill it, but look at that. Why do I get the impression that I'm gonna be like super sticky with like ants crawling on my face while I sleep? Okay, let me see. It almost looks like melted caramel or something. I'm gonna do it on this side. Okay, it's definitely like almost like a water jelly. No stickiness at all. It's got a very, very like, I want to say like a citrus herbal scent. I can like very, very faintly smell like honey. It's almost like honey tea. It almost smells like honey tea instead of actual honey. Interesting. My hand's starting to feel really, really soft already, and it's drying up. Well, this could be something really nice as well. Oh, my hand looks really good too. Now this hand looks better than this. Okay. I'm not gonna waste what was on here. Actually, I'm really excited to try that by the way this feels. Okay, on to the next thing. How many things are in here? Jeez Louise. Okay, here's the Kylie Skin thing. Foaming face wash. I don't own anything from Kylie Skin, Kylie Makeup, and nothing. So this would be interesting. This has vitamin C and E. That's always good. Let's see what the packaging looks like. Oh, nice. I don't know what I was expecting to see when it said foaming face wash, but yeah, this would make sense. Kind of like foaming hand wash. And I really like the pink, it's so cute. And I want to try it. I want to smell it actually. Oh, that foams really nicely. Sometimes you get a foaming product and then you squeeze it out and it's just liquid. And it takes like 4 pumps before like the foam actually forms, but this was a good packaging because it foamed up right away. And it's a really nice concentrated foam, because you can tell when you have like a cheap foaming hand wash, you press it down and it just feels like it disappears, but I can feel there's a lot of face wash in here. And it smells very summery. Almost like, I almost want to say like a very bright, fruity scent. Something that would be like in like late teens or 20s age group. Like they would really like a smell like this, kind of like Marc Jacob Daisy scent and things like that. But at the same time, really nicely done, I would say. Nice, I like that. This feels like it's gonna be really refreshing. And actually, when I see this picture and I smell this scent, it really matches up with the aesthetic. Like it's bright, summery, kind of like vibrant and fresh. I like that. I will wash my face with that later. Okay. I thought this was the end of the box, but under this foam, there's more things. Okay. What's this one? Ography lip pencil 2-pack. 2-pack. How's there 2 in here? Oh, there is. Okay. There were like 2 squeezed in there. Okay. So this color looks like it's very up my alley, like just that classic, dare I say it, pillow talk. Well, before it was Whirl, and that MAC Whirl, that was like the one that everyone wanted, and then it became like pillow talk, and I'm sure there's other colors in between, Kat Von D Lolita. It's just all like recreations basically of the same color. But I mean, quality is important as well. That's pretty. It crumbles a bit when I put it on, but I think it should be fine. Let me try the other color. Another brand that I don't know much about. This one's like a little bit deeper. This would actually be good for contouring outside of the lip if you want to like overdraw, just to extend the palette a little bit. And then the 2 colors are called Rosewood and Pouty. I think those are 2 very good colors to have like in a lip collection. Okay. More things. Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. A brightening eye balm that instantly hydrates, cools, and fills in the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Probiotics helps lock in moisture, caffeine, and apple and watermelon that deeply hydrates and reduces the look of lines. Tula. So familiar. Looks like this. Oh. I gotta be careful. I've had bad luck taking off these things. So how should I go about it? Should I twist it up? I don't know. Oh, okay. That was close. What is this? It looks like it's so soft. It smells like rice. It literally smells like I opened the pot of steamed rice. I'm very curious about this. Okay. I'm wearing makeup, but who cares? Whoa, it's really cold. I feel like this was in the refrigerator, but no, it's the product. Like upon skin contact, it's already cold. That is so weird, but kind of nice. So confused. Should I do this with my finger? I guess. I remember when I used to work at Dior, like we all, like the trainers and stuff wouldn't care if we put skincare over makeup. because it would just kind of like refresh the eye and the makeup would still kind of be there and blend back in. But it was like a pick-me-up for the under eye area. I feel instantly energized under the eye area. That's really interesting. Probiotics and superfood. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in my purse right away because I feel like this can benefit me anywhere I go. Did it make any difference? It feels different. And I think we've got one thing in here. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me something I already have. Tarte's Pro. Which one is this? Do I have this? I think I might have this. I'm gonna have to check. Let me see. It's this one. But I think I have this. Let me go check. I must check. Where do I even put my palettes these days? Yes, I do have this. And I remember getting it when it first came out, and this is a really good palette with a lot of really good colors. I remember the thing I liked about it so much was there were so many of like these really soft of the really soft Amazonian clay eyeshadows that were all matte, but they have like this really nice soft quality to them. And then they give you like these 4 corresponding kind of like metallic, I'm not gonna say it's metallic, but yeah, almost metallic colors that go with them. And yeah, I haven't used this in a while, but I do know that it was a good one. Yeah, so I have that one, but I'm not mad about it. I already know that this box is a really great deal. And yeah, those are all the things I got in this box, I think. Yes, it is. And I'm excited to try so many of this stuff, and I will catch you guys next time.